Okay, we now move on to speaking part two. Describe a skill that was difficult for you to learn. So that was difficult means past tense. Please.
Well, when I was 16 years old, it was quite difficult for me to ride a bicycle, but I learned that skill in that same age because I used to go to school on a bus, which used to take a break on every bus stop, and it was quite disturbing for me at that moment. And sometimes I left my school bus because it came very earlier than my school timings. So then I decided to talk to my parents about the issue what I was facing at that time. So I asked them to buy me a bicycle and told them that I want to learn how to ride it. So when I got my new
When I
bicycle,
got.
when I got my new bicycle, my father used to taught me how to ride
My
it.
father taught me.
My father taught me how to ride it. So after 2 to 3 months, I got full control on my skill, and I mastered that skill. And then I used to go to school on it, and most of my friends were very happy that I learned how to ride a bicycle. But some of them were quite jealous of me as well that I got a new bicycle, and it felt really great and motivated that I learned a skill in my life.
Yeah, I felt great and
I
motivated
felt
that
great.
I learned that. All right, that's good. Overall, fantastic. Keep it up. Just try to be more fluent, practice these topics so that you speak comfortably on them.
Okay.
Now, we have speaking part three. What skills do students need to learn?
First I thought
I
that.
think
Firstly, I think that academically, uh,
students need to.
students need to learn communication skills and uh, uh, and uh, uh, communication skills and learning skills, because most of the students are very weak in their learning. So if they learn more, they can be successful in their
Okay,
life.
this is good. Just try to speak fluently, and ideas should be readily available,
Okay.
and that is only possible through practice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.